You've seen how we created a Gantt chart in the last video, but is the team actually tracking on time? Today, we're going to burn it down with a BurnDown chart, and then we'll map out risks and dependencies using a PERT chart. This is Mohammed Nabtiti, a certified project management professional, risk management professional, and a PMI by AI professional. In the last video, we started our input with the project context, a work breakdown structure with planned versus actual timelines, dependencies, and resource assignments. Then we got the output using decomposition prompting. So the AI generated a Gantt chart. Today we will generate the BurnDown chart and the PERT chart. Remember that decomposition prompting is critical because it helps the AI focus on one task at a time to avoid overloading the module and reduce the risk of hallucination. We'll use the same chat conversation from the last video to take advantage of the AI module's memory. Let's start with our second prompt. Generate a professional BurnDown chart based on 1. The number of tasks completed over time using actual finish dates. 2. A planned progress line based on linear completion from the first actual start date to the last planned finish date. And specify formatting criteria. I provided this entire prompt in the description below so you can use it. Look at this. Here is our BurnDown chart. You can clearly see the gap between actual and planned performance, meaning the team is falling behind schedule. Also notice how the actual progress line stops short, showing there are still open tasks. In order to get this project back on track, the project manager needs to understand the nature of the remaining tasks and where the bottlenecks are on the critical path. And he can do that using a PERT chart. Let's write our last prompt for today. Generate a PERT chart using the same data I provided. Consider these requirements and list your requirements again. This entire prompt is also available in the description below. Notice how I requested the output to be in Mermaid diagram syntax. Mermaid.js is a JavaScript-based charting tool that allows users to create visualizations. In the case of PERT charts, Mermaid gives cleaner results than Plotly graph objects, which we just used in both previous prompts. Choose which tool suits you the most depending on what you're trying to diagram. Don't be intimidated by the code. AI will generate everything for you. All you need to do is copy and paste the output into Mermaid's live editor. I provided the link in the description. Look at the PERT chart it created. You can easily see all the dependencies between tasks and the critical path colored in red, helping you identify potential bottlenecks. Today, we created 2 powerful diagrams, and you're now ready to supercharge your next presentation or executive briefing with AI-generated visuals. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. And if you like my content, please like and subscribe to support my channel.